In this short video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the newest Filmora 14. Hey everyone, this is Filmora Mastery. After watching the video, do subscribe for excellent future episodes. Downloading this latest version is now as easy as other previous versions. Well, there are two methods to do this. The very first one is to go on to this help option here and then check for updates. You are going to see the latest update showing up right here. In case this method is not working for you, here is the next option for you. Use the link in the description of this video to go to Filmora's official website. Once you are here, go on to try for free, and you are going to see the installer being downloaded over here. Open to run the installer, and it starts downloading the actual Filmora update. Now you can launch your new Filmora 14, and this is the startup page with some exciting feature which you were expecting to see all along. If you want a perfect and a very honest review of this update, go ahead and check out this video here. Peace.
Bye.